Hello, welcome back to Lee's Tech Room, and today's video is a little bit different. I've found a company that is online and it's a unboxing. You know, I like unboxing videos and unboxing stuff. I'm looking at it and I still don't know what it is.
What's that?
Ah, it's your popcorn maker.
It's a popcorn maker.
I found a way to do it online. And they've got loads of decent stuff and some really good stuff and some not so good stuff. So the idea is you just click on the box and you open up the box and it comes up with lots of different options and you get whatever it comes up. Sometimes it's good and sometimes it's bad, but some of them are you can't lose. So it comes up with the same amount of thing. So if it's £20 or $20, then they'll give you something that's worth $20 or $20 voucher. So you can just spend it again. And then you just build up what you want, and then you can crack on and just ping all the money back to yourself. And then they deliver the item to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly what happens. I've done a search on this already, so I'm figuring iPhone 15 has got to be a way to go for the moment. They've got two boxes. They've got an iPhone 15 attack box, which is $3, and there's a $20 fancy Apple, which is iPhone 15 as well. I think what I'm going to do is open both of them. So let's just get straight into it. So let's open the iPhone 15 attack box. So we click on it like so. And also, if you do join, if you go down to the go down the description down below, I'll leave a link down there, and then you can get a free box to open. How cool is that? So anyway, let's go and go for the. You see here, there's different options. You can get the $3 one, or you can open 3 or 5, and the money goes up. So, and then if you scroll down a little bit, it shows you what things could be in the box or could come up. So you could get a $1 voucher. Or you could get a nice brand new iPhone 15. Well, let's find out. So open box for $3. Let's do it. We've got a we got $1. So I lost $2. So you know what? Not the end of the world. So let's just get that. Whatever. Let's go back and. So we open up the other one, the other iPhone, what's it called? Can't remember what it's called. We're going back. Okay, oh yes, it was Fancy Apple. $20 for the Fancy Apple box. Let's open it up, see what we got. Actually, let's open it and then let's see what options we've got in there as well. Okay, so look, you got a $20 voucher, there's iPhones in there as well. Scroll down. You've got lots of different things, so it's pretty much the same as the other one. I don't know what. Oh, the vouchers are higher, and there's a strap as well. So anything up above the vouchers is where you're winning. Okay, so let's go open the $20. Yeah, let's open the $20. Fingers crossed. $10. Not a great example. I have one on there before. I won some really decent stuff. I won a handbag, which is great. But yeah, you can win stuff, and you can win some really good stuff. Let me just go home, and I'll show you what other things are on there. Okay, so you got those duffel bags, Apple Watches. They've got some really expensive boxes. Nearly $1,100 for this Shining Diamonds box, so you're bound to get something that's really decent in there. Luxury streetwear Rolex boxes. I don't know, lots and lots of different ones. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to open an expensive box, and I'll see what I can do. I will. I'll open an expensive box if you guys let me know which one you want me to open. Go and check out the description down below, and if you fancy any of the boxes down there, and then let me know and I'll open it for you. Obviously you can't have it, it'll be my stuff. But yeah, also remember, if you go down there, click on the link, and then you'll get a free box to open yourself, and then you're winning. Okay, so I think I've pretty much shown you exactly what you get on this one. That's it from me. I've been Lee's Tech Cream. See you later. Bye.